In this video, we will learn how to enable NTFS or Win32 log path in Windows 11. Click on this search icon and here type edit. So guys, you will see edit group policy, select it. Now here expand administrative templates, then system, then here expand file system. Now guys, double click on NTFS. Here guys, you will see one option, enable NTFS log path. I have not that option here listed, but you will see that option. So right click on it, edit and select enabled. If you want to enable, so select here enable, and if you want to disable, so select this second option or first option not configured. So to turn on enabled and apply and OK, then close it. So this way guys, you can turn on and enable NTFS or Win32 log path in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.